Here is a video inspired by moving house recently and doing DIY tasks in my new home and for my daughter who lives close by. No job was ever as simple as it should have been. The pictures were created from ChatGPT and the music is SUNO. None of the situations actually happened, but I hope it makes you laugh.
I got a brush and a bucket, but some eggshell white. Said how hard can it be? Now the walls don't look right. Drip paint on the carpet, taped up the cat. Ceiling's got polka dots, guess I'll live with that. Oh, DIY, I gave it my best. Now there's water in the light switch and a hose in my vest. I watched one YouTube video and felt like a pro, but now the house is yelling just cause someone you know. Still I try, oh me, oh my, DIY. Try fixing the sink, yeah the leak seems small. Turned the wrench left, then I flooded the hall. Pipers screaming like a tea kettle choir. Now I've got towels, buckets, and a plumber on fire. Oh, DIY, I went in too deep. Now my shower shoots sideways and my fridge won't beep. I thought how hard is plumbing, turns out a lot. Now my basement's wetter than a coffee pot. But I tried, yeah I don't know why, DIY. Electric dreams with the wire in hand, blew the fuse box, now I can't stand. Lights flicker like a ghost rage show, and the toaster just caught fire, oh no. Built some shelves, but they lean like pizza. Hung a door, now it opens to be the. Drilled too deep, found an old raccoon, and I'm still not sure if that wall was load bearing too. Oh, DIY, it's a wild old ride, with instructions in Swedish and my pride on the side. I got paint in my hair, and glue on my face, but I built this crooked bookshelf and I kinda love the place. So I tried, till the day I died, DIY. Here's to the dreamers with hammers and hope, who tighten the screws and learn how to cope. We may fail fast, but we fail with flair, in a house half finished but full of care. Yeah, we try, oh me, oh my, DIY. And maybe next time, I'll just call that guy.